January 29, 2026. A Russian FPV drone engaged Ukrainian troops riding ATVs, tracking their movements across open terrain and executing a precision strike to disrupt their mobility and operational activity on the front line. Ukrainian soldiers were moving through a forest, unaware that a Russian drone was monitoring the area. The first soldier passed by without noticing, while the second spotted the drone and quickly moved to take cover. In the Donetsk region, a Ukrainian strike drone successfully evaded incoming Russian small arms fire and engaged its designated target. The UAV maneuvered with precision to avoid hostile fire while maintaining a stable trajectory, allowing operators to deliver a controlled and effective strike on the intended position. A Russian FPV drone engaged Ukrainian troops inside a vehicle. The drone maintained close aerial observation, tracking the occupants' movements and executing a controlled strike on the compromised position. A Russian drone operated by the 41st Motor Rifle Brigade of the 44th Army Corps struck a Ukrainian frontline supply store in the Kharkiv region. The UAV accurately targeted the facility, damaging the structure and disrupting logistical support for forward-deployed Ukrainian units. A group of Russian soldiers traveling in a pickup truck came under attack by a Ukrainian drone. At the last moment, a soldier seated in the rear opened fire and successfully shot down the drone before it could engage the vehicle. A Russian fiber-optic drone from the 30th Motor Rifle Brigade of the 44th Army Corps struck a Ukrainian pickup truck parked in a forested area. The exact location of the engagement has not been disclosed, but the strike demonstrates the use of tethered drones to target stationary vehicles concealed in terrain features. In this video, Ukrainian soldiers are seen advancing through a forested, hilly area toward a Russian position as part of an operation. While moving along the slope, they are detected by a Russian FPV drone. The drone tracks the group and engages one of the soldiers during the advance, disrupting the movement. In the forested area, another Ukrainian soldier was engaged by a Russian drone. The soldier appeared to signal toward the aircraft in an attempt to deter it, but the drone maintained its course and proceeded to engage the position. A Russian Grad multiple launch rocket system, operated by the Sparta Regiment, was observed firing toward Ukrainian positions during active combat operations. The footage shows the system launching a series of rockets as part of continued artillery support efforts along the front line, highlighting the ongoing use of heavy indirect fire weapons in the area. In this footage, Ukrainian soldiers are seen advancing on a mission when a Russian drone unexpectedly approaches from the rear. The drone engages the formation, striking one of the soldiers and forcing the unit to halt their advance. Operations conducted by the 6th Army continue in the Kupiansk area, where UAV operators are actively searching for dispersed Kiev Forces personnel on the outskirts of the city. On a daily basis, drone reconnaissance identifies isolated or repositioning units operating without effective cover or coordination. Once detected, these positions are tracked in real time and engaged through coordinated drone strikes. Intense footage from Krasny Lyman shows the 25th Army of Group West targeting Russian troops and positions with coordinated drone and artillery strikes, exposing enemy vulnerabilities under constant aerial surveillance. Footage from January 2026 shows a Ukrainian mock-up F-16 being struck by a Russian fiber-optic drone at an undisclosed location. The drone tracked the target with precision, approaching from a low altitude to maintain visual contact and ensure an accurate strike. The engagement demonstrates the capabilities of fiber-optic UAVs to effectively neutralize high-value or simulated targets during tactical operations. A Russian fiber-optic drone conducted a precision strike against a Ukrainian pickup truck in the Vodiansk area, Donetsk. During ongoing operations, the UAV tracked the vehicle's movements across open terrain, maintaining continuous observation to ensure accurate targeting. As the truck entered an exposed position, the drone executed a controlled engagement, successfully neutralizing the vehicle and demonstrating the tactical use of fiber-optic drones for real-time strikes on mobile targets in contested areas. Russian units from the NBC Regiment of the Siberian Union conducted an artillery and rocket strike against Ukrainian positions in the Pokrovsk sector. According to battlefield reports and combat footage, the operation involved coordinated indirect fire targeting defensive positions, trenches, and observation posts along the front line. The engagement was initiated with preparatory bombardments intended to suppress Ukrainian forces and limit their ability to respond effectively. Multiple launch rocket systems, mortars, and artillery pieces were employed to deliver sustained fire over a designated area, focusing on locations identified through prior reconnaissance. Ukrainian units were forced to take cover, reposition, and implement counter-battery measures in response to the bombardment. The strike also aimed to disrupt logistical lines and communication nodes supporting frontline Ukrainian forces. Despite the intensity of the attack, ongoing aerial surveillance and drone reconnaissance allowed Ukrainian units to track incoming fire and adjust their positions, mitigating some of the operational impact. New footage from the Kupiansk front shows the 352nd Regiment actively engaging and eliminating Kiev forces' infantry and equipment in a series of coordinated operations. The video captures the regiment moving through contested terrain, combining direct fire, reconnaissance, and drone support to identify enemy positions and strike them with precision. Kiev forces are seen attempting to maneuver through open areas and along supply routes, but the regiment's forward elements quickly detect these movements and engage using both small arms and heavier weaponry. Armored vehicles and transport trucks are systematically targeted, while infantry attempting to advance or seek cover are neutralized through coordinated fire. The footage also highlights the use of drones to maintain continuous observation, enabling the regiment to react instantly to enemy maneuvers and prevent regrouping or counterattacks. This engagement underscores the effectiveness of the 352nd Regiment in controlling key sectors near Kupiansk, disrupting enemy logistics, and limiting Kiev forces' ability to sustain operations in the area. The combination of ground units and unmanned systems demonstrates how modern battlefield tactics allow forces to dominate contested areas while minimizing exposure to counterattacks. Overall, the footage provides a detailed view of intense frontline combat, showcasing both tactical proficiency and the harsh realities of engagements in this sector of the conflict. Drone operators of the 36th Army, Group East are actively supporting Russian ground advances by destroying heavy enemy copters. Using FPV and interceptor drones, operators conduct continuous aerial surveillance, detect hostile UAVs used for reconnaissance and strikes, and engage them with precision. Several enemy copters are intercepted and destroyed midair, removing threats to advancing troops and reducing the enemy's ability to coordinate artillery or monitor battlefield movements. These coordinated drone operations provide airspace control at low altitudes, protect ground forces, and maintain the momentum of the offensive in contested sectors. Footage from operations conducted by the Russian aerospace forces and FPV drone operators of the Siberian unit shows coordinated strikes against enemy shelters and troop concentrations. During the engagement, multiple strategic targets were successfully neutralized. An automated platform was hit, disrupting the enemy's logistical or operational capabilities. A communications antenna was engaged, affecting the adversary's ability to coordinate forces effectively. A fortified strongpoint was destroyed, removing a key defensive position. In addition, 3 temporary deployment points were targeted and neutralized, limiting the enemy's ability to regroup or reinforce positions in the area. Krasnoarmeysk direction. An HMMWV equipped with an electronic warfare system was neutralized. The soldiers inside the vehicle spotted the FPV drone too late, and some exited after it was too late. The high-speed FPV drone struck the armored vehicle, causing it to catch fire. Zaporizhia region, Primorsky settlement. Ukrainian armed forces have been operating in civilian clothing in attempts to approach Russian positions. This tactic appears to be largely ineffective. 2025 Russian fiber-optic FPV drone operators from the Vostok Group of the 38th Guards Motor Rifle Brigade struck enemy infantry near Zelensko, disrupting positions and movement with precision tactical effect. UAV operators assigned to the 38th Guards Motor Rifle Regiment of the 35th Eastern Army documented the detention of a group of soldiers in a fortified structure near the village of Gaul. Viewers are invited to share their perspectives in the comments and follow the channel for further updates. Drone operators assigned to the 14th Special Forces Brigade destroyed 2 armed vehicles near the village of Prylai, in the direction of Juli.